Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel and you are here with me on Onnbaby. So this is my first English speaking video, so I'm kind of excited and nervous because I haven't spoken proper English ever since I got back from the States, and it's been like almost 4 years already. So today I'll be doing an unbox from my boyfriend because he actually went to London without me for a week. So this is what happened when the boyfriend went away. Wow. Okay, so let's start from the first one. So this is the Spectrum and it comes in this green pouch. And ta-da! It's the Little Mermaid makeup brush set. I really love this and I've been wanting this for so long and I finally got it thanks to the boyfriend. So this one is a bag with the strap and the pearl dingling on it. And once you open it, there are 10 pieces of them inside. Here's the close-up of the brushes. The hair comes in Ariel's hair color with the handle in blue and green. And the brush is really soft and very fluffy, and I really like the texture. So this one is the powder brushes, the eye contouring brushes, and eyebrow or eyeliner brush. This is the fan brush for highlighting. This is, I don't know, I haven't used this type of brush before. And this one is perfect for contouring my nose. And I would use this one for my cheek, this one for my face contouring, sculpting, and this one for the front cheek, just to blend things like that. So this is the 10 pieces that comes in the Little Mermaid bag. I like it this way and it's worth the price, it's worth for the cuteness, and it's worth for the Disney and princess. So moving on to the second one, this is a small set from Spectrum as well. So that is not my first one. I have 2 of them at home. That's my third one and this is my fourth one, but I'm not gonna use this because I'll be doing a giveaway, so please stay tuned for the updates and the details. And there are about 4 pieces of them. So the powder brush, the foundation brush, the cheek brush, and the eyeliner or eyebrow brush. The color is really cute, like pink and purple. And it's soft, it's fluffy. Moving on to the third one is Tory Burch sandals. Yay! I usually call it thongs, but then it's Australian thingy, but then other people wouldn't know, so I'd rather call it sandals here. Okay, so this is the Tory Burch sandal. It's my favorite brand. I love Tory Burch and this is my 4th pair. But yeah, I lost my first and second pair, so I'm really sad, but then I still have my 3rd one with me, and here comes my 4th one. I love Tory Burch sandals because they are so cute. I love the colors. They are so vibrant, they are so comfy, and it's, I just love the design. So pretty much everything. Let's move on to the red box, and it's Giorgio Armani. This is the cushion, and it's the My Armani To Go Essence in Foundation cushion, and the one that I use is number 4. So I have this Armani foundation before, and I love the texture, I love the feeling of it. And I think, the cushion might be good as well. So I told him and he got this cushion for me. It looks nice, clean, and very high so or expensive, of course. And it comes in a red compact case, and inside with the soft and red cushion puff. And here comes another side, and this is the texture. I haven't tried because I want to keep it first just for the photo and for this video. So I hope this would be amazing and I'll do a review for you guys. And the next one is this Charlotte Tilbury, one of my favorite brands. I have so many of Charlotte Tilbury's makeup. I have eyelash curler, cheeks, lips, and blush on, highlighter, contouring things. Oh my god, I have almost everything. And this is my first time trying the Bigger Brighter Eyes Filter palette. There are 4 colors and it comes in this cute compact. It looks smaller than I thought because I couldn't remember the real one. So the real one looks smaller than I expected. So there are 4 colors, and the upper row there are shimmery gold and shimmery peachy color. and for the lower row there are matte peachy brownish color with matte dark brown. So I think this four color would look perfect on my eyes. You know, I love peach color, I love gold color. This would be my new favorite everyday eyeshadow palette. So I'll try it and I'll let you guys know again because I haven't tried. So I actually have two more products that he bought for me, but I did not bring it here because it's truffle oil and honey truffle. So I guess you guys, you know, might not be interested in the foodie stuff. So these are the 5 items that my boyfriend bought for me. So I hope you guys enjoy and please subscribe for more and I'll see you again